WatchCount Product Research Tool Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description so you can check it out for yourself. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into WatchCount, a product research tool designed for eBay dropshippers and e-commerce sellers. We'll discuss its features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's the right tool for your business. WatchCount is a unique product research tool that focuses on eBay data, allowing sellers to track product performance, sales trends, and competition in real time. Unlike other tools that pull data from multiple platforms, WatchCount specializes in eBay, providing a detailed overview of what's selling and at what price. This makes it a go-to tool for sellers focused on eBay dropshipping, whether you're new to the platform or an experienced seller. Key features: eBay sales data. WatchCount pulls real-time data from eBay listings to show the number of watches, bids, and sales for specific products, helping you gauge market demand. Trending Product Finder. It helps identify trending products on eBay by analyzing the number of views and watches a listing receives, offering insights into what's gaining traction. Competitor Research. Track competitor listings to see their pricing strategy, shipping methods, and how many watches their products have. Historical Sales Data. WatchCount gives you access to historical sales information, allowing you to assess trends and predict future demand for specific items. Price Comparison. You can compare prices across eBay listings to determine if a product is priced competitively or if there's room for margin improvement. No subscription fees. Unlike many other tools, WatchCount is free to use, offering essential data without requiring a paid subscription. Who is it for? WatchCount is tailored for eBay dropshippers and e-commerce entrepreneurs focused on selling through eBay. It's a great tool for sellers who want to gather specific insights into the eBay marketplace, from trend spotting to competitor analysis. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: focused on eBay, free to use, trending product insights, real-time data, competitor tracking. Weaknesses: limited to eBay, fewer features compared to more comprehensive tools, lacks integration with other e-commerce platforms. Final verdict: if you're an eBay seller looking to find trending products, track competitor strategies, and understand the demand for your items, WatchCount is a valuable tool. It's simple, effective, and free, perfect for sellers who need quick insights without any complex setups. Check the links in the description for more details.